This video is about the technique, intra-articular proximal biceps tenotomy and transfer, under direct visualization. Establish the working portal. First, use a lasso to introduce a suture thread through the torn rotator cuff and LHBT. Make sure the suture spans the most retracted area. The end of line 1 is then pulled through the torn rotator cuff and LHBT. The other end of line 1 is pulled just through the torn rotator cuff. Then the anchor's integrated suture thread, line 2, is passed through the torn rotator cuff and proximal LHBT using the same technique. For massive rotator cuff tears, additional anchors may be placed, utilizing suture tails to reinforce the rotator cuff cable. This video segment presents the final condition following the suturing procedure. A radiofrequency device is used to transect the proximal LHBT. The severed LHBT stump is then secured to the articular side of the supraspinatus tendon. After tensioning the sutures, knots are tied in the subacromial space to fix the LHBT stump. The suture tails are then passed through two Swivelock biocomposite absorbable anchors implanted into the lateral edge of the greater tuberosity. This video segment presents the final condition after fixation of the rotator cuff and the LHBT. Final intra-articular examination confirms satisfactory LHBT fixation.